Improving SEO, at least some basic tips, is essential for a developer, as SEO should be considered even before building the website. It is more efficient to build the necessary SEO components into the website's design and architecture from the start. But let's start from the beginning and make the definition of SEO. SEO, or Search Engine Optimization, is a process of improving positions in organic, non-paid search results in search engines. Like here, these are organic, non-paid results. These websites show up organically based on Google's algorithm, which ranks web pages. And these websites have the higher ranking, that's why more people will see them. SEO is a huge topic, it takes a lot of time to learn, and if you want you can deeper in it and learn more about search engines, rankings, and different SEO techniques like relevant keywords, interesting content, and outside links. But as a developer, you need to build a website that could be easily readable by robots and valued by users. It should be user-friendly and well-structured, with well-organized minimal code. Plan the structure before building the website. No house has been ever built without a plan. Keep the structure of your website simple. It should be not confusing for robots and users, and make the navigation through the website as simple as possible. Responsiveness is also important. Create mobile-friendly websites. Nowadays, it is not acceptable for a website to be not responsive. Also, you should consider logical, straightforward URL structure, appropriate redirects, and status codes. But one of the most important things to consider is the website performance. The speed of your website really matters. If your website loads slow, you'd probably lose the majority of users, as no one likes slow websites. Site speed is listed as one of Google's ranking factors. The more scores you get for performance, the higher position you receive in search results. In terms of performance, images are the key factor. Try to use simple illustrations and icons, compress image files to make them smaller, and always use alt attributes. Having large images, too many files, and HTTP requests can slow things down. JavaScript can also confuse search engines, so don't use it unless it's absolutely necessary. By thinking about all these points from the start, it will help to ensure less work needs to be done in the future. For any business and any website, it is a necessity to success. Please write in comments why you've decided to become a web developer and what topics you are interested in. And if you want to be the first to watch such free educational videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good week and see you next Tuesday.